Okay, hello YouTube. Today we're gonna be unboxing, as you'll see in the title, X7R OLIGHT. Been really excited to get this one in. Alright, so we're just gonna jump down and check it out. Alright guys, apologize, I am sick at the moment. I know. I'm getting my 940 in the mail hopefully by Tuesday, so. This isn't a full in-depth review, it's just like I said, an unboxing. I love having these things. There it is in all its glory. Wow, this thing has got some good weight to it. There's all that if you'd like to pause it. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick right now. People complain about the 12,000 lumens for only 3 minutes, but that is an insane amount of lumens for that high. I think about it as a 3,000 lumen light, and then if I ever need to like bump it up just for a little bit, I don't know when I would ever need that. Usually I go out to the desert and go off-roading a bit, and it's pretty cool just to have it for that reason. A lot of being out in the desert at night doing night runs, pretty good to have you know, I usually have my EDC light. It's a S Mini in brass. Love this thing. Come on. Am I doing something wrong? Yep. My tripod system failed. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm trying to pull it this way and open it this way. Of course, I would be the idiot to not just forgive me. Ooh, 5 years quality. Awesome. Of course, always make sure to take off that wow, this is hot. Ooh, wow, that is really hot. I'll put that aside for now. Open, don't mind if I do. Cool. I'll probably never use that, but it's good to have. Good freebie. I really like that it's USB-C, just because it's the way of the future. And the dedicated brick, power brick. It charges at how many amps? 4 amps. That is amazing. Only flashlights I have right now is this one, and this one. All OLights. I do love me some brass. Let me see. Tried looking for something to compare it to. I don't know who Lauren is, but share a Coke with her. So that is a 20 ounce 20 fluid ounce. Just so you get the idea. I can never really grasp it in the pictures, but this light is tiny. I believe it's locked out, so there you go. Nice. So you can see now to hold. Those reflectors are really cool. Really like it. So the beam pattern is really nice. There it is. 7,000 lumens. Let's double it up. Now we're just gonna do some night shots.
He's got a number written in marker 4. She arrived
Underneath that overpass.
712. Serves as her spotted line for a flight. The evacuee's number comes up.
Alright, so this is where I'm gonna do the nighttime shots. Underneath this overpass. I'm gonna be standing right here. And I'm gonna be facing this way right here. And I will probably shine the light over there at those trees. I don't know if it'll go all the way over there, but it probably will. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up though. It's funny, back in a while back, this was our drag strip before all those houses were here in this building. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you can see I am here back at the spot. Now I'm gonna be using the, how you say it, using the Maglite and then the OLIGHT S Mini, which is 500 lumens, and then the S30, and then the OLIGHT, the X7R. Oh, there's somebody's coming. I'm on the side of a road. Okay, so this is the Maglite. It has a really focused beam. I'm actually really surprised. I'm actually really impressed with this. You know, I think I'm just gonna hold on to you guys. It's like a pinpoint. Okay, now we're gonna do the S Mini. It's under my, it's in my pocket, my everyday carry. This is this little tiny light. I'm really impressed with this light. Nice floodlight. Next is the S30. Very impressive. More of a throw than the let's go see what's over here. More of a throw than the more of a thrower. The canal, I'm getting eaten alive by these mosquitoes. Dead bird. Now it's for the Big Daddy. Alright, this first one's gonna be at 3,000 lumens. I mean, well, I'm gonna work my way up. So this is Moonlight. Low. Medium. It's like a huge flood. And then high. Gee golly willikers. Now this is turbo. Oh, that's off. That's turbo. Wow. And this is turbo S. So 3,000 lumens. I said I was gonna shine it over there. It's not really reaching those buildings I had mentioned earlier, just because it's not. Oh, yeah, it's because it's not a distance light. This is insane. This is 12,000 lumens, attracting all the freaking mosquitoes. It's 100 degrees out right now, like 50% humidity. It is lighting the whole overpass up. And it is getting extremely hot. My whip. My wife would kill me if she saw the lights on there. So this is the mag light I'm using. This is the OLIGHT, the S Mini, and this is the S30. I'm gonna piggyback once more. Mag light, which I thought was impressive actually. I still think it's impressive. It's a good spot beam. It actually reaches pretty far. But come on now. All right. So, that's where I'm going to end this video. If you have any suggestions, of course, reviewing lights isn't like my, it's just something I like, and I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and yeah, we'll discuss it. Of course, as I continue, my videos will get better. This is just my first foray into lights. All right, see ya.